Sticky header for SmugMug. I've just updated my dog's website, which is on a SmugMug template, and it reminded me I've not done my sticky header video for SmugMug, because it's dead easy to do. This is. Now, what a sticky header is, if you see the white part at the top of the dog's website where the menu is, that's going to stay in place while you scroll up. That is a sticky header. Now, SmugMug actually call that pinning. So you're going to pin it to the top. You can also pin your footer, and you can pin, if you've got sidebars, left or right sidebars, you can pin one of those, but you can only pin one thing. You can't pin the whole lot. It's not really going to work right, is it? So yeah, you can either pin the header, the footer, or the sidebars. And if we look at my dog photography SmugMug website, this I mainly use for events, it's got a sticky header, but it's transparent. It's got a transparent sticky header now, and that's dead easy to do too. So what I'll do, I'll take you through to my dog's website again and show you how to do that, because it doesn't matter which template you've got, I'm sure. You can stick any of them. You can stick the header, footer and sidebars on any of them. Okay, so customise design. And you want to go to layout and scroll to the bottom and choose what you'd like to pin. Header, left or right, that's your sidebars, or your footer, or none if you don't want it stuck to the top. Click done, click publish now, and your header will be stuck. So transparent sticky header, or just a transparent header on your SmugMug website, you'll go to customise design, then you want to go to the theme, click the wrench icon, and this is where you can change the colours and the style of the font of the whole website. And if you click advanced, this is the header section. The top part is the header, what we are editing, and this is where you can also change the colour as well as make the header transparent. So let me show you how to change the colour. Get rid of that, and well, let's just pick up random bright pink, so it's really obvious what I'm doing. And I'm going to take the opacity up to 100%, so the colour should be solid. If I click done and preview, you'll see you've got a solid colour header there, which is a sticky header as well. Now if I go back, I'll go back to the theme, to the wrench icon, to advanced. Now header opacity, if I take that down 48%, click done and preview. Now we've got a transparent sticky header. That's how you do that. That is how easy it is. But depending on the template you are using and the theme, the SmugMug theme, whether it's a light or dark within that template, or if you've changed the colour, will determine how that sticky header is going to appear. So you have to play about with it a little bit. For example, if you've got a completely, I think Willow is completely black, a header, black header and a black body on the website, so the whole website looks black. If you take the opacity down on the header of Willow, I haven't done this, but I presume this would happen, it's not going to look much different. If you stick the header, then as you scroll up, you will probably see your photos through the header. You just have to have a play with it. But that is where the controls are, and it is really, really easy. You just have to think logically when you're doing it. Now, if you want a full video on the SmugMug theme, I can do that. Put a comment in the video below. I do have other videos on how to use SmugMug. I'll put the link above in the up there. And there's a discount off any new SmugMug account. As usual, that is in the description below. If you click through, you will get a discount off the annual plan. Now, what I find at this time of the year, new year, new me. If you update your website, if you add your sticky header to your website, change the colours, it looks like you've got a brand new website. It really does. And that's the beauty of using SmugMug, because you can have any colour you like. You just have to have a play about with it. You can't lose. You can change everything, but when you change the theme, you have to give it a name. So then you can go back within the theme to the design themes, click that, and that'll take you to what the design was at the beginning. If you've gone a bit mad and can't remember what the colours should be, because that's the only way you're going to get to where you want to go, by having a play with these. Okie doke.